Hi there, Spanish Grammar Guy here on Focus 15, here to help you with your Spanish grammar. In today's video, we're going to tackle an important aspect of Spanish communication, the use of tú and usted. Knowing when to use these different forms of you is crucial to speaking Spanish politely and correctly. So let's explore those differences. So in Spanish, tú and usted both mean you, but they're used in different contexts based on formality, familiarity, and cultural norms. So let's first have a look at tú. This is the informal use of you. So when do we use this? We use tú when speaking to friends, family members, peers, or anyone you are on informal terms with, because it conveys familiarity and closeness. For example, in Spanish, we would say, ¿Cómo estás tú? How are you? Whereas with usted, this is the formal use of you. And we use usted in more formal situations, such as with older people, teachers, or people you've just met. And it shows more respect and politeness. Let's have a look at the example here. We would say, ¿Cómo está usted? Translation in English would be, of course, how are you? So in many Spanish-speaking countries, the use of tú or usted can vary based on regional and cultural norms, and here are some cultural insights. So in Spain, generally tú is used among younger people and friends, while usted is reserved for formal situations. However, Spain also commonly uses vosotros as the informal plural for you. Whereas in Latin America, usted is often used more frequently in professional and public settings, regardless of age differences, as a sign of respect. So pay attention to how native speakers address you and mirror their use unless instructed otherwise. So let's explore how the use of tú and usted impacts verb conjugation and also possessive pronouns. So if we look at verb conjugation first, it's different between tú and usted. So in the tú form, we'd have, for example, tú hablas inglés, you speak English. Whereas with the usted form, we would say, habla usted inglés. In this sentence, it's a question, habla usted inglés? Do you speak English? So notice how the verb changes, hablas for tú versus habla for usted, reflecting respect and courtesy. So in many instances in the verb conjugation, in order to form tú, you add an S on the end of the usted form. And of course, the possessive pronouns are different. We use tú for your, if we're referring to the possessive pronoun meaning your something. For example, ¿Dónde está tu libro? Where is your book? Whereas if we are using the usted form, we say su for your. For example, ¿Dónde está su libro? Where is your book? Okay, so there you have it. Understanding when to use tú versus usted is key to respectful and courteous communication in Spanish. And as you continue practicing, keep the context and your relationship with the person you're speaking to in mind. Okay, that's it for now. Please subscribe to Focus 15 with the Spanish Grammar Guy if you want more Spanish grammar tips. Thanks for watching. See you soon.